Okay, let's dive into a major showdown in the world of robot cleaners. The Eufy S1 Pro versus the Roborock Qrevo Master. We're gonna find out which of these really popular models is actually the best fit for your home.
Now, at first glance, you might think you have this all figured out, right? The Eufy looks incredibly sleek and high-end, while the Roborock, well, it looks a bit more like what we're used to. But as we're about to see, performance tells a very, very different story.
Yeah, because the truth is, one of these robots, despite that super premium look, actually trips over some of the basics. And the other one, it cleans deeper and smarter than its price tag might have you believe. This is the stuff you just don't get from reading a spec sheet.
So in this explainer, we are cutting through all the marketing hype to answer the one question that really truly matters. Which one of these powerful robots will actually keep your home clean day in and day out without you having to constantly babysit it?
Let's kick things off with round one, raw head-to-head cleaning power. We're gonna pit vacuuming against mopping. And this is where the first big differences really start to show.
When it comes to pure suction, wow, the Roborock Qrevo Master just lands a heavy blow. I mean, you can see it right there on the chart. It's boasting 10,000 pascals of power compared to Eufy's 8,000. For anybody out there with deep carpets or pets, that extra power makes it the clear winner for pulling out all that embedded dirt and hair. No contest.
But don't you dare count the Eufy out just yet. It counters with its own secret weapon, especially for mopping, the HydroJet roller mop. This thing spins at a seriously impressive 170 RPM. That gives it a deep, active scrubbing action that you just don't get from those traditional, passive mop pads.
So, in round one, it's a split decision. The Roborock is, without a doubt, the vacuuming powerhouse. But the Eufy S1 Pro is the deep mopping specialist, and it leaves hard floors absolutely spotless. The winner of this round? Well, it depends entirely on what kind of floors you're dealing with.
All right, power is one thing, but a robot is pretty much useless if it can't find its way around your coffee table, right? So now, let's see how these two contenders actually navigate the real world.
The tech here is surprisingly similar. Both of these robots are using advanced LiDAR and cameras to see, but the Roborock's AI-powered system gives it a little bit of an edge with smarter, more reliable pathing around tricky obstacles. The Eufy maps really fast, but it can sometimes get a little confused by small drops or uneven floors. But here's the real kicker. Despite those little differences on paper, when you actually let them loose in a real, furnished home, their ability to get the job done without getting stuck is surprisingly close. In day-to-day use, honestly, it's pretty much a tie.
Okay, this is where we go beyond the spec sheet. We're gonna dive into those small details that make a huge difference in your day-to-day experience. The things that really determine whether you're gonna love or totally hate one of these robots.
So, based on a whole lot of testing, I've found 3 crucial things that most other comparisons just completely miss. How they handle corners, how loud they are, and maybe most importantly, how they deal with carpets when they're in mopping mode. And this, right here, highlights a key trade-off. The Eufy's square body is a genius design choice, getting right into corners and picking up about 10 to 15% more gunk along the edges. The downside? Its logic for lifting the mop on carpet can be, well, imperfect. Sometimes it lifts a little too early and misses spots. It's a classic case of amazing hardware being let down by some finicky software. So, after putting both of these machines through the gauntlet, after analyzing their power, their smarts, and their hidden quirks, which one should you actually buy? Let's break it all down.
Let's start with the Roborock Qrevo Master. This is a fantastic, powerful, and incredibly reliable machine, and it's the perfect choice for a very specific type of home.
This slide just sums it up perfectly. If your home has a lot of carpet, if you have pets shedding everywhere, and if raw vacuuming suction is your absolute top priority, then just stop looking. The Roborock Qrevo Master is the robot for you. On the other hand, the Eufy S1 Pro is built to solve a totally different but equally frustrating cleaning challenge. This is the hard floor specialist.
So to put it simply, if your home is mostly hardwood, tile, or laminate, and you are just so tired of mopping up spills and stains, the Eufy is the clear winner here. Its deep scrubbing mop performance is really in another league, and that longer battery life is a really nice bonus too.
But wait, before you click buy on either one of these, there is one final critical piece of advice you have got to hear. This is probably the most important takeaway from this entire comparison.
And it's this. Remember that even these top-tier, incredibly advanced robots are not completely set and forget.
They are amazing tools for sure, but they still need a little bit of care from you. Like cleaning out tangled hair from the brushes or replacing the mop pads to perform at their absolute best. Ultimately, the decision comes down to you. The best robot isn't the one with the highest specs on a piece of paper or the fanciest looking design. It's the one that is built to solve your home's specific cleaning problems day in and day out.